Thanks for choosing this video. I'm going to show you how to change the window motor in a 99 Ford F-150. I've been away for a while, so I'm trying to get back into things. Snap up the switch plate in the front. And you have to lift it up and pull it forward. The wires are pretty stiff onto it. A lot of wire hooked to it. Each of the plugs has a small tab that locks it into position. Squeeze them with your fingers and give them a good stiff pull and they'll come out. Trim plate around the door handle, snap the forward end outwards. And slide it to the front to kick it out. Number 2 Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw. Not to drop it in the door. Take the upper trim off the back of the door post. Snap straight out. Again, you'll find a number 2 Phillips screw. Same screw that's inside the door handle. Grab a hold of the panel and just lift it up. There's a small wire that leads to the light on the door. There's 4 6mm screws holding the speaker in. Using a 6mm socket, remove the screws. Unhook the speaker, set it aside. Remove your vapor barrier. Try not to tear it. It'll be really stuck around where the speaker held it in place. Pry the connection loose from the door. Take the plug apart. They are very stiff. Hook up the new motor to the wire and just let it hang. We want to test and make sure that it's not an electrical problem before we go any further. Nope, not an electrical problem. The new motor works fine. Need three holes to get in there. 2 of them are marked with dimples. The third one we got to find it, but that's pretty easy to do. Go to the new motor with dividers or calipers or something of that nature. In my case I had calipers handy. Measure center to center between bolt 1 and 2. And just out of curiosity I checked it for bolts 2 to 3 and it happened to be the same distance, so it made it very convenient. Center the pointer in one of the holes. Make a mark. Center the pointer in the second hole. Make a mark. And X marks the spot. That's where you want to drill the hole. Use a 1/2-inch drill, this big enough. After you drill the holes or find 3 bolts, take the 3 bolts out. Fun fact, when you get the last bolt out, the motor will drop into the bottom of the door. Just retrieve the motor through the speaker opening. Work the new one in position. Don't force it, there's 2 gears that have to match up. Started by getting the top screw started into it. Just got a few threads started, got the bottom screws lined up, a few threads started, made sure the gear was in a position before I pushed it into place. I don't force anything. If you force it, you'll break something. When you get everything in position, hook up the plug on the bottom, hook up your switches, and try it, make sure it works. Put your vapor barrier in place, put your speaker in, 4 screws hold the speaker, door panel. I just use a big screwdriver to hold the vapor barrier in place. Push down the lock plunger in the lock position. Lift your door up and try to push it against it and get it evenly against so all the hooks on the back slide into their slots into the door frame. Pull your wires through so they're not in the way. Get your lock plunger into place. There you go. Tap it down. Make sure it fits all the way around. No gaps. Screw holes should be lined up. After you install the 2 screws, it's just a matter of snapping everything back together. I hook up my switches, you'll notice that I don't hook up the power lock switch. The reason being is I often take a dog with me, and the dog likes to stand on the arm of the door and lock it for me. Step it back into the plate into position, just snap it in. Voila, all finished. Final check. Auto down works for you fine. Put her up and we're done. Thanks for watching the video. Pass it on to anybody that need help.